Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, this is a bright morning, hope so. Yeah, here we are going to review the AbdullahAzizi Economic city. Yeah, near Jeddah, the neighbor to Jeddah at Saudi Arabia. Welcome back. Yeah, as you can see here now, we are moving. You can see the title where is it? Here is it, you can see. Yeah, as we move on, yeah, we are still moving on to the beach of AbdullahAzizi Economic City. After all, we are going direct to the restaurant. As you can see, the restaurant is called mashallah. Yeah, and the environment in out, it is so attractive. We had a beach, we had the sea at the same time. Here nearby the restaurant we have a beach, and after all we have the sea, the next place. Yeah, as you view inside the restaurant, it was full reorganized. You can see everything have a 2-bedroom house for the kids and the bigger people. The two latrines, yeah, for the kids and the grown up. Latrines, every latrine has its own shower and everything you want. Anything you need to carry is only your clothes is already furnished. As you can see now, I'm there. Yeah, follow me. Here now you are going to check out the kitchen. As you can see, into the nearby we have 2 bedrooms, mashallah, all made of two beds, made of 2 beds. He said you can sleep wherever you want. As you continue moving, you can see all you have the iron box, washing machines around. Yeah, you can wash your clothes here. At the same time, you can iron. If you carry the lesser, the better. You have to be clean, a must. Yeah, come on, now you're moving. Yeah, as you can see, everything was so attractive. Just enjoy the environment. When you come to the kitchen, you have everything that you can need, the same as where you come from. Everything, you have the cooker, the fridge, the kitchen, everything you need. If you need to cook, we have everything. We have a cooker, we have utensils already. We have everything, you can see. Yeah, we really enjoyed place, as you can see, and you may be the next victim. I pray so that you can come and enjoy the place too. Yeah, as you can see, the place was so shiny. Moving outside, as you can see, the sun was still shining outside brightly. Yeah, your view in out. As you can see, the beach, the playing ground downward. Yeah, the beach, the sea beside the beach. Yeah, and we hate the expense of houses, and the lesser the price, the lesser attractive. Here, as you can see, the house with different prices. Yeah, as we come on, we had something that we went to the beach. As you can see here, the lady enjoy. We had to take photos so that when you come back, we can enjoy too with our eyes. As you can see, we're now moving around to see wherever we can see him. Yeah, come on with me. We still have a long journey. As you can see, we had already reached the sea, where you can view wherever you see. Here you can say that the whole place you can find the Muslim. Here people are wearing the way they want, to the sea, to the beach. It is all over the world. Don't say that there's a Muslim who wear everything in. Less are the few who knows what they are doing. Here, as you can see. But now you don't go to watch out the people. The important thing, you go to view and enjoy the environment. Yeah, let's continue. As we move around, you can see. Now we move to the beach where we head to ride a boat. Yeah, as you can see, we went in the boat riding. You are the boat riding, enjoying ourselves. As you can see, I'm not very good, but it's already late. It's nice. But here you can say that you go like a job when you had so many Africans like me. We had the Saudi, we had mixed up. We had the Pakistan, we had the Japanese, all mixed around the same beach. We are still enjoying the disaster. Yes, you can see here's the beach now. The Filipino, the Chinese, everyone is there, here and enjoying. The only thing, if you have the money, now I say that God bless you and go to come and view as I did. Welcome. Inshallah, I pray to you too to come and enjoy the disaster. Yeah.